Grade 1, good morning. Please turn on your cameras and show me how do you sit. Please. Yes, Dalida. Yes, Dida, you are raising your hand. Thank you, Ahmed. Yes, Dida. Ah, you have changed your tooth? Your tooth fell down. Congratulations. Yes, yes. Congratulations, Yadida. Congratulations. Okay, let's revise what we have covered in sound. We said that sound is energy that you can hear. Sound is energy that you can hear. Okay? Right. Dida, I want to start with you.
Yes, miss.
Congratulations for your tooth. And I want you to tell me what is the meaning of vibrate. Vibrate,
Move quickly back and forth.
move quickly back and forth. Thank you so much. So vibrate means move quickly back and forth. Vibrate, move quickly back and forth. Okay, Laura,
Yes, miss.
if the strings of the guitar vibrate, will we hear sound or not?
Here, we
We
hear
will
sound.
hear sound. Excellent. Yes. This is what we said, guys. If the strings of the guitar or of any musical instrument vibrate, we will hear sound. So if we have vibration, we will have sound. If we don't have vibration, we will not have sound. This is what we said. Sit down properly, Alara. This is what we said when we put our fingers on our throat before, and I want you to feel when you talk to anyone, you will feel vibrations in your vocals inside your throat. Okay, so you will feel vibration. That's why we have sound. Of course, if you are not talking right now, you will not find vibration. But to talk, you will have vibration first, and we will hear your sound, or you will be able to talk. Type. Yesterday, Ahmed Yahya,
Yes.
we studied the difference between the loudness and pitch. What is the meaning of loudness? Loudness,
So how loud? Loudness.
mm, what is the meaning of loudness?
How loud?
Did you forget?
Yeah.
Mm. So listen. Adam, Adam, Adam,
What? Here.
loudness,
Louder, so.
loud or soft. Excellent. Thank you, Adam. So, Ahmed, this is what we said about loudness. We said that loudness means that if the sound is loud or soft. So, loudness, loud or soft. Loudness, loud or soft. Again, grade 1, repeat after me the meaning of loudness. Please look here, ya Shahd and Mariam, sit down. Loudness,
Louder, louder, soft. Louder, soft. Don't forget to press enter. Louder, soft.
yes, if the sound is loud or if the sound is soft. Okay, like if I'm asking you about the jet, the loudness, look here, ya Laura. If I'm asking you about the loudness of the jet, you will tell me if the jet makes a loud sound or soft sound. So as long as I'm asking you about the loudness, you have to circle one of these words only, loud or soft. So the jet has a loud sound but whispers. This whispers when you whisper to anyone beside you, this you make a soft sound. So loudness, louder soft. Loudness, louder soft. This is how do we say it, ya Ahmed, in order not to forget it again. We said loudness, louder, soft. Loudness, louder, soft. Loudness, louder, soft. Again, loudness, loud or soft. Okay, big clap for Miss Angie, please. Yeah, big clap for Miss Angie because I said without any help. Big clap for Miss Angie. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm just kidding with you, but it's a big clap from me to you because you are good students and I was so happy to teach you this year. Again, loudness, louder soft. Loudness, yeah, if the sound is loud or if the sound is soft, okay? If I'm asking you about loudness, what should you say? Loud or soft, okay? That. After this, yeah, Laura, I like your green pants, but if you sit properly, sit down properly. Okay, if I'm asking you about the pitch of the sound, you have to tell me if this sound has a high pitch or it doesn't have a low pitch. Right? When I'm asking you about the wind chimes, this wind chimes, this one, let me, the wind chimes, it has or it makes a high sound. Okay, a high sound, because I'm asking you now about the pitch. I'm not asking about the loudness. If I'm asking about the loudness, you have to say loud or soft. But if I'm asking about pitch, you have to tell me high or low. Okay, I don't know what happened, but there was like a stop in the middle. So again, if I'm asking you about loudness, louder soft. Loudness, louder soft. Loudness, loud or soft. Pitch, high or low. Pitch, high or low. Pitch, high or low. Loudness, louder soft. Loudness, louder soft. Pitch, high or low. Pitch, high or low. If the sound is high or low, this when he asks you about the pitch of this sound. But if it is asking you about the loudness of this sound, you have to say loud or soft. So here is asking you about he's asking you about the pitch of the wind chimes. He's asking you about the pitch of the wind chimes. So we have to say that it makes a high sound. But if I'm asking you about the pitch of the big bell, the big bell, the big bell makes a low sound. Look, grade one, because I want to tell you about the difference between the sound of the big bell and the sound of the small bell. Look here. Let me draw it. I will draw This is a big bell, for example. I don't know why does it look like a hanger. And this is a small bell. This is a big bell, okay? Sorry, but I'm drawing on the screen and it's not good. Type. He is asking you which bell, and this is, we have a big bell here and the small bell. Okay. So he's asking you about the big bell and the small bell. But I want to ask Yassine Ayman about this question. Yassine,
Yes.
which bell will make a high sound and which bell do you think that it will make a low sound?
Uh, the big bell will make a high sound,
Okay, and the small bell?
low sound.
Start. This is what Yassine said. Yassine said that the big bell will make a high sound, but the small bell will make a low sound. طيب. شهد. شهد,
Yes, Miss
do you agree with what Yassine said? Do you know what did Yassine say? Yassine, sit down properly, Yassine. Do you know what did Yassine say? Yassine said that the big bell will make a high sound and the small bell will make a low sound. Is he right? Shahd,
Yes.
Shahd, I want you to answer me. I don't want to keep calling your name and you don't answer me. Yassine said that the big bell makes a high sound and the small bell makes a low sound. Is he right? Do you agree with Yassine? Lara, leave what you have in your hand, ya Lara. Lara is Yunus. Huh? Shahd, Habibti, look here. Yassine said that the big bell makes a loud sound and the small bell makes a low sound. Is he right?
Yes.
So you said you don't know. You said that you don't know, but yani, I heard you that you said that you don't know. Okay, but let's see. Adam, Yassine said that the big bell makes a loud sound or a high sound, but the small bell makes a low sound. Is Yassine right?
Yeah.
Right. Who agrees with Yassine? Raise your hand. Who agrees with what Yassine said? Raise your hand. Yassine said that the big bell will make a loud sound or a high sound, and the small bell makes a low sound. Who agrees with what Yassine said? Raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Lana, do you agree with what Yassine said or not?
Yeah, I am with you.
You agree with what Yassine said, that the big bell will make a high sound and the small bell will make a low sound? Don't mute yourself by yourself, ya Lana, please. I'm talking to you. Huh?
What?
Yassine said that the big bell makes a high sound and the small bell makes a low sound. Is he right?
Yeah.
Right. Who doesn't agree with Yassine? Raise your hand. Who doesn't agree with Yassine? Raise your hand. طيب Batul, what do you want to say? Why you don't agree with Yasin?
Because the big bell make a long sound and the small bell make high sound.
Excellent. This is the right answer. Big clap for Batul. Yes, big clap for Batul. Big clap for Batul. Excellent.
I will say this, Miss. I will say
Okay,
this.
okay, Yasin. Okay, Yasin Sharaf. I know that you will say it. Yes, so now the girls won. The girls won this competition. What Batul said was right because Omar, because the big bell, when the big bell rings, it will make like this. Tin, 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 tin. Okay? But if we try the small bell like this, okay? So it will make a sound that's very loud, okay? So the big bell will take time to ring because there's a big space to ring, okay? It's very big and it will take time to ring, so it will make a low sound. Tin, 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 tin. But when you ring the small bell like this, faster, it will ring so fast and it will make a high sound. So, as Batul said, the big bell will make a low sound, Yasin. Okay, Yasin Ayman. The big bell will make a low sound, but the small bell will make a high sound. Can you can you make for me the loud of the big bell and the sound? Let's start with the big bell, okay? Let's start with the big bell. How will the big bell ring? How will it ring? Okay, now that's enough. Let's start with the uh, small bell. Okay, I want to hear the sound of the small bell. Okay, okay. So this is the difference between the big bell and the small bell. The big bell, low sound, but the small bell, high sound. Okay. So we said that the big bell makes a low sound, but the small bell makes a high sound. Okay, guys. Now I will share a worksheet with you that we will do it together. So let's see, what will we enter here? Please sit down and look with me in this sheet, please. Grade 1. Mariam, look here. Mariam, look here. Uh, let's start with the Saji. Hello, Saji.
Hello, Miss Angie.
Saji, we will start to circle the right answer in this page, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Number 1, he's asking you about the whistle. The whistle has a low pitch or a high pitch?
High pitch.
Thank you so much. Excellent. Excellent. The whistle has a high pitch. Can you make the sound of the whistle or you cannot? Okay, so it's better to get a whistle. Thank you. Okay, now let me ask Miss Mariam.
Yes.
This is that we have talking about right now. The big bell has a low pitch or a high pitch?
High. No, low.
Low
High.
pitch. Ah, what will you circle? Now we are talking about the big bell.
Low.
Big bell will be
Low.
low pitch. Excellent. Yes. The small bell, high pitch, but the big bell, low pitch. Thank you so much. Yusuf.
Yeah?
Number 3,
Yes.
the jet.
The jet makes a loud sound.
Loud sound or soft sound?
Soft sound.
The jet.
It's loud sound.
Loud sound. Thank you so much.
Soft sound.
Diane? Diane? Diane?
Yes, Miss Angie.
Okay, Diane, the last one. Whispers are soft or loud sound?
Soft.
Huh? What did you say?
Soft.
Soft. Thank you. Selim, the last one?
Yes.
Okay, Selim. The wind chimes have high pitch or low pitch? The wind chimes have high pitch or low pitch? Huh?
Low. Low.
No, wrong,
High.
wrong, wrong, Yasmin. Yes, it's high. The wind chimes has high pitch. Thank you so much. Okay, grade 1. So let's revise again what we have said. We said that sound is energy that you can hear. Sound is energy that you can hear. Vibrate, move quickly back and forth. Vibrate,
Move quickly back and forth.
to move quickly back and forth. After this, we talk about loudness. Loudness, loud or soft, if the sound is loud or soft. So, loudness, loud or soft. Loudness, loud or soft. After this, we spoke about pitch, and we said that the pitch, high or low. Pitch, high or low. Loudness, loud or soft. Loudness, loud or soft. Pitch, high or low. Pitch, high or low. Okay, so when your friends, they started to choose the answers. So of course we said that the whistle has, as Seji said, that the whistle has a high pitch. And when I asked Mariam about the big bell, she told me that the big bell makes a low, or it has a low pitch. After this, we asked Yusuf about the jet, and he said that the jet makes a loud sound. And after this, we said that whispers are soft sounds. And by the end, the wind chimes have a high pitch. Okay, guys, remember loudness, loud or soft, pitch, high or low. Yes, Teji, why'd you raise your hand?
I have a whistle, but it broke.
Really? Take care of it. Okay, yes, Asim?
Is this the last session?
No, you still have 2 more sessions, but
Two only.
yeah, 2 more sessions. One with me, and I don't know what you have the last session,
Why you don't know?
because I know my sessions only. Okay, now let's open our science workbook. Let's open our science workbook. Page 92. Page 92. Page 92, please. Science workbook. Okay, let's start. Please don't forget to write the date at the top of the page. We should write today, June 10. June 10. June 10, 2021. Okay, I want to see your science workbook. Please show it to me in front of your camera. Yes, Amr, do you have it or not?
Can you tell me what's the page?
92.
Okay, I have the book.
Okay, page 92. You will find it, and the title is What is Sound?
Okay.
92. Mesa, do you have your book? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Miss, I have a checks.
You have what?
Checks.
Checks?
Yes.
Okay. Mustafa, do we have a sleeping session right now? Where is Liane? Where is Liane, ya Mustafa?
Sleep sessions. I'm here. I was getting my book.
Okay. Huh? Carla, do you have your book with you?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay. Type. Let's start. Malika, what is your book, ya Malika? Turn on your camera and show me your book. Yasin, Sami, and Zain. Your camera, please, and show me your book. Sidra. Okay, let's start. Page 92. Let's start with Yasin, Sami. Yalla Yasin, let's start with the first question.
Yes.
He's asking you, Yasin, that hypothesis about which bell will make a lower sound. Yes.
The big.
Yeah, which bell will make a lower sound?
The biggest.
Excellent. طب how can we test them? How do we know?
Because the small make a big noise and the big make small noise.
Okay, so how can we test them? What should we do to know the difference between them? What can we do to know the difference between the big bell and the small bell?
Test them.
What can we do?
We have to ring them.
Excellent, excellent. We have to ring them. We have to ring the big bell first, and after this we can ring the small bell, and of course we will know which one makes a lower sound. Okay, thank you, Yasin. Thank you. So we can write the big bell makes a lower sound. We can ring them first to test them. Faster. Guys, if the session is over, you have to join to the next session directly, okay? The big bell makes a lower sound and we can ring them first. مليكة